You're charged with the offense of burglary of a habitation force. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You're proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just asked you to follow up the part.
All right. So why are you breaking into someone's home?
It was a misunderstanding, really. I lived there, and I was watching the house at the time, and the owner was in rehab, and I had locked myself out of the house. And so I went through a window. I didn't break anything, and I told the owner about it, and it's just...
Why was the owner's clothes spread out all over the place?
His clothes?
Yes.
I don't know.
Why were cabinets open throughout the house?
I don't know. I didn't do any of that.
So either you're a bad watcher of homes or either you did that.
Oh yeah.
He's saying that he never gave you permission to be in his home.
He did.
And that you're homeless.
I lived there. I had mail going there, and I lived with him at the residence. And when I decided to move out, and he had got mad, I guess. I don't know, but it's a mess. Like, so I lived at that address.
Defense?
We have discussed the defense, Judge. She understands that by taking this case, she's giving up her right to a trial and her very, what we believe is a valid defense. But she understands that she's giving up her rights and has pled no contest and wishes the court to proceed with the case.
All right. So you do not wish to go to trial?
Yeah, ma'am.
All right. How old are you?
I'm 31.
Do you have any children?
I have a son.
Age?
2.
And where is your son?
He's with family.
And where was he doing all of this?
Where was he at?
Yeah.
With my family.
All right. Is there a child protective services case?
No, ma'am.
Why do you not have your 2-year-old?
It's just, I didn't have a stable place to live. So.
How far did you go in school?
Some college.
When's the last time you had employment?
About right before I got locked up, which I've been incarcerated for 4 months.
And what were you doing?
I was doing traffic control.
I'm sorry, what?
Traffic control.
What do you mean traffic control?
Like, how they shut down the highways with cones and...
Yes. So you're the person who places the cones down?
Yeah.
She can always come back. 50, go off the record. From here on out, everything that you do in your life, any decision you make, you need to ask yourself, is this something that could potentially result in me going to prison for 20 years? If the answer is yes, don't do it. If it's maybe or a gray area, don't do it. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In this courtroom, to be successful in probation, community